Okay, just a quick extra. I've now added in the Valentine's event menu, and when we click on that menu, download, up it comes. What we're going to do is copy that link. We're then going to go to the Valentine's event, 13th and 14th of February. And there's a couple of things we're going to do. You see I've got here, click here to see our menu and price. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to click on this symbol here. It says insert or edit link. I'm going to paste that link in and hit it. I'm going to also bolden it. I can also put a link in here, which I'm now going to do. And I'm just going to type in menu and price. And I'm now going to save it, or update it. And what will happen, go to there, we go back to this page. What we're now going to do is go to, where are we, events. We're then going to go down to the Valentine's, and you will see it says click here. If we do click here, that goes to the picture. Okay, so let me just go back. Events, and by clicking here you go straight to the menu. We also get it, let's go back to the page. Internet's been a bit slow this morning. Go back, and we're going to go, you'll notice that on the left hand side underneath all day, click on menu. You need to change it, by the way. There's no time on it, so I'll just put all day, but if you want a different time then obviously you can now log in and edit it. But where it says menu and price, we click on that and it should go through to the same menu. So it helps people get the information quicker, and that's how it works. So if you've got any issues, just drop us a line or an email, give us a call. But once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. But at least you've got these videos to refer to every time you need to remind yourself how it works. That's it. Thank you.